Hello everybody. I'd like to show y'all what happens if you decide not to buckle up. Now this is a very important video. I hope all of you guys go ahead and take note of what happens. But the thing is it not only affects you but could affect others that you love and cherish. Now, to let you know a little bit about me, my name is Shawn Richardson. I went over and I was involved in a serious car accident in December 2013. I was in a 2-month-long coma. Broke my right clavicle. Broke ribs 1 through 9 in half. Opened up from the stomach from my belly button to the bottom of my chest. Work was done on my right eye. When I'm looking straight, this eye is looking upside down, but up in the upper left hand corner. So wherever I'm looking at, it's like upside. It's crazy. It corrected after 8 months. Facial fractures. I lost my ear in the streets. Broke my left knee. 3 ligaments from a daver put in my knee. When I woke up, I could only say about 5 to 10 words in about 5 minutes. And that's once I started talking again. You're going to see a video of me in the hospital when I woke up, and my wife was trying to talk to me and I wasn't able to talk. I could only talk with my hands.
Shawn, will you say hi to your sister? Say hi, Shannon. Wave with that hand. Hi, Shannon. Can you raise your eyebrows for her? Tell her you don't like this in there. Can you tell her you love her? You're a little bit sleepy right now, huh? Okay. Say I love you, Shannon. You're doing good. How about a thumbs up? That's 5 fingers. Put a thumbs up. Yeah.
It's just a mess up situation, to tell you the truth. And it all could have been prevented had I been wearing my seatbelt. Now, what happened is I'm driving my yellow Corvette down the 8 freeway in December 2013. The reason why I'm driving the car is because I only drove it on the weekends, if I even got to drive it at all. The weekends was my busiest times. And the reason why it was like that was because of my work schedule. I had 3 businesses. I had a irrigation business, I had an electrical business, I had a sales and marketing business. I did very well in all of them. Had a 2004 Corvette. You know, so that ought to tell you. Bought it in 2006. What happened is the reason why the accident happened is because I went over and I got my front wheels changed out so that I could take tighter corners. Because I like taking corners kind of fast. The reason why I wasn't wearing my seatbelt is because I never wore my seatbelt when I drove this car, because I thought I didn't drive it that much anyway, and also the fact that if I wrecked it, I ought to die. You know, that's how I thought. And yeah, it was what it was. But anyway, I went over and I got the front wheels changed out. The guys that went over and changed out the wheels, they didn't tighten the lug nuts on the left front wheel. So I'm driving down the 8 freeway, and my wheel pops off the vehicle. When that happens, I'm ejected from the vehicle on the freeway, going about 65, 70 miles an hour. I never drove that fast. I went the speed limit. But anyway, it's very crazy what can happen to you by not buckling up. Had I been buckled up, there wouldn't be anything wrong with me. Right now, I'd be, you know, on to bigger and better things, and it was what it was. You know. But anyway, I like for everyone to go ahead and take a look at some of these pictures. It's the first picture is a picture of me in the hospital. I'm all banged up. You can see that by my face and everything. I weighed 135 pounds the day I woke up from that coma. So it was kind of crazy. I just would like everyone out there to really go ahead and buckle up, because you don't want to be sitting in my shoes. You know what I mean? You want to be good, you want to stay right, and you want to keep on going. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.